Hi, good morning. My name is Rehan and I represent Cypress Technologies Taiwan. So today here we are showcasing our multi-viewer cum recording and streaming device with where you can add your additional modules to it basically. So this is the unit where we have especially for an educational background where you see you have hybrid setup or you have a multi-viewing, you could say a seminar hall or a training room solution where you need multiple inputs. That could be your multiple cameras, as you see 2 cameras out here. You have a content input as well, and you have an input of a USB where you want to record the entire session. So today I will showcase you the entire solution, how it goes. So the model is VPR33421. So we have configured it with the button panel where you can make the switching accordingly. So if you can zoom out here, you see how the switching can be done. So when we select, you get a single camera input out here. When you want multiple, so this is the second camera. You have a quad view. So you have one content, 2 cameras, the other content. So there are 2 contents and 2 cameras. Similarly, you can have all 4 cameras as well, depending on which application you are using it for. It could be, as I told you, an auditorium or a large seminar hall that you can use this entire solution. Next, we also have an option where you can record and you can zoom in. You can record the entire session, so you can have a recording session, and here it gets activated with a red LED light. So the entire session is getting recorded. Moreover, when you want to stream, so streaming is also possible. So you have an option out here, you select it, and here it gives an indication again that your input number 2, or you could say the second point, which is streaming, is already done. And the streaming can be done through YouTube, Facebook, or any platform which you need. You just need to configure it with your particular platform, and you can go ahead and stream it. And the same unit, you can also connect it to a video conferencing setup, especially to any of the platform, that is Zoom, Skype, Teams, Meet, any of the platform you can connect. So this single box helps you in giving you multiple output, and you can either record, you could stream, or you can have a video conferencing setup altogether. Secondly, you can add modules to it. Okay, so you have different modules over here. So when you want to have a recording done, which is on 4K at 60 FPS, which gives you streaming and recording altogether. Recording option are 2. You can record it either in a pen drive, or you can even live stream it. Or sorry, you can save it in a NAS. So you can keep it in the NAS server as well. So this was it. Thank you for your time, and please do visit us at Infocom booth number F20.